What to do if the plug does not fit properly into a protected socket? This situation is familiar to anyone who has sockets with protective shutters in the openings at home. The problem is that these shutters don't always work properly, and the plug often doesn't insert smoothly. This is even more common if the outlet hasn't been used for a long time. This situation is quite annoying. Sometimes it leads to people simply hitting the fork with a strong blow. This shouldn't be done, as it can break not only the shutters, but also other internal components of the outlet. Restoring the shutter's mobility is very simple. To do this, you'll need a cotton swab and a little oil. Dip the cotton swab in oil and wipe the shutters in the openings. You don't need to apply a lot of oil. A small drop is enough. After this procedure, the protective shutters will quickly wear out and the plug will insert easily. Instead of oil, you can use some kind of dielectric grease, for example, silicone or lithol. What do you think about this trick? Share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.